predictions. Before we start, y'all, I'm so excited, very excited for the new year here. 2026 is not a hustle year. This is a systems year. And in this live, we're going to be breaking down my real predictions for 2026 and what it means if you want to actually start a SaaS business, build recurring income with automation, using AI and digital skills without burning out is the key. Positioning yourself before the next wave hits. It's already here, guys. If you don't know, SaaS stands for software as a service, and it is going to replace all of you freelancers out there and the employee mindset. This is the skill that is going to pay, that is actually already paying many people thousands and thousands, billions of dollars right now, and especially in 2026. So that's why I'm doing this video. Before we start, I just want to say, if you're in this room right now, you're not in my room right here, but you're watching this video and you are someone who senses something is changing. You might not be able to name it yet, but I can feel it, and hopefully you can feel it too. And if you're here right now on the live, I'm going to comment below. If you're on the replay, comment #replay, because this is the one thing here. I'm here for people who are not looking for motivation, but you are looking for clarity. So wherever you are, comment below. Of course, I'm here in Honolulu, Hawaii, in my home office here in beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii, on the island of Oahu. I'm born and raised here, and I love being able to have that freedom, and I have just so many blessings here. Today is not about hype, it's about positioning. I'm going to talk about predictions for 2026, because 2026 will not only reward effort equally, but it's also going to reward you being in alignment. And that is, there's a few words floating around right now. I'm going to be working on my goals. So if you're actually interested in doing that with me, I'm maybe doing a workshop here in the next few days. But here's what I want you to listen for. If you walk away with just one thing today, it's 2026 rewards builders, not grinders. If anything that I share with you today, I'm going to repeat it a couple times so you can get it ingrained into your mind, and comment below if you get what I'm putting down here. I'm going to give you 5 things. By the end of this live stream, you'll understand what's actually changing right now, because like I said, I can feel it, and hopefully you can feel it too. And there's so much things that are rapidly changing already, but in 2026, it's going to be so amazing. Why? And I'm actually going to also share with you, number 2, why SaaS is the power move. All right. Number 3, which digital skills won't die. So I'm going to tell you that. So stay tuned with me all the way through the end to understand what digital skills you need to be on right now, and exactly what I built from scratch. So I'm going to actually share with you the AI playground so you can build with us. So sounds good? Type ready in the chat right now. Type ready, ready, ready. I see y'all here. Hey, Lauren, Soul, and 808. Welcome, Sass, Gypsy Dog, Costello. Welcome here live. Comment below, ready in the chat. Okay, I see you guys. All right, let me say this cleanly. 2026 is not a marketing problem. Okay, we're not talking about marketing problems. We are actually going to be a operations year. It's an operations year. What does that mean? Most people think that they're behind because they need better content. I need to work on my content. I need better ads. I need better messaging. That's not an issue. Here's the truth. People are overwhelmed because they built income without an infrastructure. People are overwhelmed because they're unorganized. People think that they need more leads, more DMs, more clients, but no system. You need to actually have a system. And this is what happens when volume hits a system that isn't built. It collapses. I just ran into a few friends and they were like, yeah, we need more leads. But if you have no systems, what happens? It totally collapses. Volume exposes weak systems. Volume exposes weak systems. We all dream of having this volume of leads, a volume of sales. Of course, we want the money in the bank at the end of the day. But if you have no systems to keep track of that income, you'll be like, how did I make all this money and I still don't have anything to show for it? 2026 will expose you if you built it in survival mode. Ask me how I know. All right. Now, this is where SaaS comes in. Software as a service, if you don't know what I mean by SaaS, software as a service. And no, it doesn't mean that you have to be a tech genius to have a SaaS business. It means owning the system instead of renting it. All right, owning the system instead of renting it. When you build on top of a platform like my favorite software, Go High Level, you're not selling software. That must be like crazy. What are you talking about? Go High Level is a software, but you're not selling it as a software. You're selling consistency, predictability, follow through. This is what business owners want. They want you to solve an expensive problem. And in a second, I'll explain why consistency is the real currency in 2026. It's really been the currency. Like I just texted my mentor here, and he's the most consistent person I've ever met in my life. But first, here's why SaaS wins every time. Everything else gets all shaky because freelancers sell their time. I just told my business partner I'm literally going to increase the price. So if you ever considered working with me, you better hit me up right now because it's going to double in price. I'm tired of selling my time, to be honest. As a freelancer, you're selling your time, and I only have a limited amount of time. And as I get older, I don't have much time, and I don't want to be selling it for cheap, as I have other things I'd like to do. Creators sell attention, which is number 2, and SaaS sells continuity. Okay, so that's one thing why I'm creating this content, because it creates attention, right? Creators sell attention. SaaS sells continuity. Who doesn't want continuity? Continuity is what businesses crave. People don't pay for tools, they pay for stability. If you're going to be providing something like a utility, like our cell phone bills, we want to have stability and a working phone so that we can communicate. There's nothing that you're going to do to make sure that utility is being paid for every single month, right? So people don't pay for the actual tool, they pay for stability. Let's talk about skills, part 3, the skills that survive in 2026. Every year people panic and think they'll need to learn something brand new, but they don't. They need to stack skills that connect to each other. And here's what survives: automation logic. So people come to me all the time because this is a huge, expensive problem. They need automation logic to make sense. AI workflows, CRM systems. How are you tracking your leads right now? Lead conversions, back-end operations. Like I said, 2026 is going to be the year of operations, and these are the skills that survive. What doesn't survive? Random trends. Random trends are going to come and go. Platform hacks, one-off services, hourly thinking. We're going to be changing our thinking here. You're not an hourly person. I don't go by hours, because what I've done to learn the things that I've learned has taken me hours, and actually 10,000 hours. My son's a video editor, a videographer, and it's funny, he's very young, but it's taken him 10 years to get where he's at. And I'm always encouraging him that you need to make sure that you're pricing your value not based on how long it takes you to do the actual task, but based on the experience that you've had. It takes 10,000 hours to be an expert. And so we're going to be changing our thinking. Comment below if you're going to be changing your hourly thinking to the value that you provide. Understand this: 2026 pays people who think in workflows, not tasks. 2026 pays people that think in flows, not tasks. Let's go into part 4, astrology. I don't know if some of you don't know, but I am very into astrology and numerology. And so let's talk about timing. 2026 is the year of the one year. And numerology, 1 years are amazing because this means new cycle, new everything, new identity, new leadership. The 1 energy pushes hesitation. So if you ever felt like you've been hesitating about something, you closed the chapter in 2025. I am closing many chapters and starting a new energy push, and I'm so excited. It rewards clean decisions. I need to bring my hypnotherapist guy over. I don't even think he calls himself a hypnotherapist, but he literally helped me shift a decision that I needed to make that I was flip-flopping over in the last 10 years, really. And so 2026 is going to reward you in clean decisions. He helped me clear out some things that I needed to make a strong decision that I needed to make and feel confident in it. And I've just keep getting stronger and stronger. I'm so excited about that. So it also will reward you in this 1 year, the simple structures. We're going to be creating simple structures, and that's what 2026 is going to reward you, and having clear lanes and clear path to your goals. Astrologically, I'm no astrologist, but tech acceleration, AI is being normalized, and solo operators are going to have leverage if you be able to create those digital skills. This is not the year to add more offers. You're going to simplify to multiply. Can I get that in the comments right now? Simplify to multiply. Simplicity is one of my core values this year as well too. Simplicity, simplify to multiply. If I were going to start from zero, here, let's make this practical. If we're starting today, we're going into 2026 here, this is exactly what I would do. Number 1, pick a niche with money. I know I say this all the time. Just pick one with some money, okay? It can be anybody, really, that's going to give you some money. And that's how you're going to learn. Okay, number 2, identify one operational leak. You're analyzing like a doctor. What is the one thing that is going to help you make money, that you're leaking money right now. Like I said before, people always talk about how they need more leads, need more. It's really, you're not closing the leads that you already have. So just let's take a look and audit what you're doing right now. All right. Number 3, build one automated fix. Build one. Just build one automated fix. There's so many features and tools and things we can be doing, but if you could just fix one thing, what would that be? And then package it as a SaaS or a system. Package, charge monthly for it, which is number 5. And number 6, grow your audience after the back end actually works. You have something now tangible. You fixed one person's problem. Now you got money in the bank. Right? No chaos, no overwhelm. We're talking about simplicity, no hero mode. We are solving one problem, one expensive problem for people who have money and they need that fixed. All right. So just systems that work while you sleep, and then they're happily wanting to pay you every single month. All right. Let's recap. 2026 rewards systems. SaaS, software as a service, beats hustle. The more that I focus on building my SaaS business, the more I'm just sitting here collecting checks. To be honest, skills, work on more skills and less trends. We're not here about what the next dance trend is, right? We are here to build a skill that's going to pay you over and over again. Timing matters. Simple beats busy. When you build systems, you don't just change your income. You change your entire nervous system. I've been learning a lot about this from my own nervous system and some of my friends who have been in the industry a long time. Lisa and my friend Keisha. If you, for a long time, I did not trust my own self and I had a lot of outside complications that didn't make me feel safe. But when you are in a place where you feel safe and you can have more fun in your business, that's what it's all about. When you can create, and this is the only thing that you can control. You can control yourself. The only thing that you can control is yourself. The only thing you can control right now is the 6 inches between your 2 ears, your brain. All right. And so when you can stop living in reaction mode and not allow outside environments to dictate how you feel, that's the real upgrade. That is the real upgrade. And it doesn't take a lot. 17 seconds of pure vibrational support in changing your nervous system is life changing, not only for yourself, but the people around you and the people that you love. So if you want help building this in a smart way, I also have a free training for software as a service based business owners, SaaSpreneurs that would like my entire training on starting your own business. The training is below. Just grab my free trial of the software that I love. Go high level. Drop any questions in the chat right now. Comment below systems if you want access to it. If you're watching this on the replay later, I'll get back to you and DM you the training. But I am so excited for 2026 here. And you know where to find me. All right. So tell me your niche right down below if you have one, if you have some friends or people that you're thinking about creating your own SaaS business and really locking in. Let's do it together. I have some free trainings for you that you can get access to right away. And thanks for being here on a beautiful live SaaS Sunday. 2026 prediction is on point with starting your own SaaS building business, creating recurring income, taking your assets and what you actually know, and creating digital products have always been the number one skill. And especially if you're looking for building a recurring income in the future. No fluff, just real talk. Thanks for watching. Much love and aloha. We'll see you on the next video.